guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. As you can see, my hair is braided or parted just like it was the last time I did a V-part hair on here. So today I'm going to be doing another one. This is the box that the wig came in. This is not the name of the company. However, in the box I got a stocking cap as usual. I also got some lashes. I also got these clips, and this is like the second sets of clip like this I have. And lastly, in the box I got this headscarf. This is the wig that I'm gonna be reviewing today. If you guys have watched my recent videos, you'll notice that I recently reviewed a wig that looked just like this one. It's a curly 24-inch thin part wig, and it has 4 clips in the top that's gonna hold it in my hair. The way my hair is braided today, your hair doesn't have to be braided like that for the wig to go on it, but I feel like it secures so much better with my hair braided like this. Before I put my wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges using my edge control from Edge Effect. Okay, so I'm getting ready to put the wig on my head, and to open the clips, all I do is push on the back of them and that will unsnap them. Now I'm going to put it onto my head, and I'm going to secure it onto the cornrows that I made in the front, and I'm going to give myself a center part again. When I'm putting on these hair, I like to secure the front clips first and then I go on to the back one. This way I'll have it exactly where in the front I want it, not too far over on my forehead or too far back. Now that I've got that side secure, I'm going to go ahead and secure the other side. To be honest, that's all I have to do to install this hair, and the fact that I had my hair braided up already how I wanted it, that makes it so much easier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back with the finished look. This is it, guys. It looks a little bit fuller because I used my fingers, of course, and combed through it a little bit. The hair is so soft, as you can see, my fingers are just gliding through it like butter. It is not heavy, just in case you guys want to know, so you definitely don't need to be worrying about having too much hair on your head. This is what the back looks like. So amazing. The curls are just popping, so beautiful. If you love curly hair like I do, you're definitely gonna love this one. Take it from me, this is a really nice curly hair wig. I mean, it's easy to install and it's your own scalp. You can grease it if you want. If it's itching, you can scratch it. I mean, you just cannot beat that. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, guys, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.